Hello, this is Larry from DMA Sales and welcome to another edition of Shop Talk. In this edition we're going to look at electronic breakware sensors, what they are and how they work. DMA Sales has a complete line of OEM quality electronic breakware sensors available to meet your needs. So let's get started. Brake pad sensors are an added safety feature that you find on many premium European, Asian, and some US vehicles. Here's DMA part number 10054 for the Range Rover LR3 and LR4. Here are the components of the assembly: the sensor head, the spring clip, the wiring harness connector, the wiring itself, protective sleeve over the wiring, and secure grommets to hold the wiring in place. Let's look how brake pad sensors mount on the brake pad. There's a notch on top of the D plate for the sensor head to fit, and it's critical that the sensor head fits securely in this slot. There is a spring clip to hold the sensor head in place. Proper dimensions of the sensor head are critical for a secure fit. This has a single sensor head. The second image shows a double D plate design where there's two sensors, one on the inner and outer D plates. Breakware sensors consist of precision-made sensor components combined with the best quality connectors and wiring. Each sensor must be made to exacting standards compared with OE quality. The sensors start with precision-made molds produced with high-quality CNC equipment. These molds must be made precisely for the sensor heads to fit the D plates correctly. The sensor requires precision components that must be molded at the precise location within the sensor head to measure brake wear correctly. On second generation sensor head like the one shown, the loop must be set at the correct depth to measure brake wear. DMA sensor heads are made out of phenolic resin that withstands heat up to 290 degrees centigrade. Not all manufacturers have the world-class molding equipment available that can use this high-quality resin. Many manufacturers use lower quality resin that melts at lower temperatures. Here's an example of DMA sensor heads compared to a national competitor that uses lower quality resin. Both parts were tested at 300 degrees centigrade side by side for 15 minutes in an industrial lab oven. Notice the DMA sensor head shows no melting, while the comparison part shows melting that would cause the sensor to fail prematurely. I want to emphasize this is an important quality difference that makes DMA breakware sensors superior to many competitors. 100% of all DMA breakware sensors are inspected for length, proper construction, and electronically tested at the factory prior to packaging. Best quality materials, superior manufacturing process, 100% testing of each part, complete year, make, and model coverage, and great pricing. Why would you want to consider any other brand for your breakware sensor? Thanks for watching.